Let's walk through how to collect your creatinine, or eGFR, for the test kit you received in the mail. Be sure to read all enclosed instructions before collecting your sample. This kit can only be used by the person indicated on the specimen label. A few reminders before starting. You don't need to fast before collection. Make sure to drink plenty of fluids, and you will need to mail the specimen the same day as you collect it, so plan accordingly. First, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water. Open the blood collection tube by twisting the cap and position to collect specimen. Decide which finger you'll use. Most people choose their ring or middle finger. Warm the finger you will use for collection with a warm cloth or heating pad for 3 to 5 minutes to increase blood flow. Clean the fingertip with the alcohol prep pad and let air dry. Remove the lancet's protective tab by twisting and pulling. Place the lancet against your fingertip to the left or right of center. Press firmly until you hear a click. Wipe away the first drop of blood with gauze. Lightly massage your finger downward, starting at the base and moving toward the tip, until a large drop of blood appears. With your free hand, pick up the collection container and gently scoop the blood drop from your finger into the container. Lightly massage your finger again until another blood drop appears. Gently scoop the blood drop into the container as before. Continue this process until blood reaches the second line on the vial. Note that we cannot test underfilled specimens, so if blood flow stops, continue the process with a different finger. Replace the cap of the blood tube. Press it down firmly until you hear a click. Gently invert the tube 10 times to mix the sample. Use gauze to stop the bleeding, then bandage your fingertip. Print the collection date and time on the specimen bag label. Place the filled tube in the biohazard bag with the absorbent material and seal the zip top. Do not remove the white absorbent material. Put the sealed bag into the white padded prepaid return mailer and seal it. Mail the prepaid envelope on the same day as your collection.